My name's Anniston. This is my new mixer. So today we're gonna learn about doing get this out. That makes some noise. And this will also make some noise. Well, my mixer has 3 pipes. This is a double. This is my metal flag beetle. You go like that. Look, it's white and it has this beautiful seed drill cup, and this goes back and forth, and you can easily put the food in, and then it will mix when it's good with this. Well, the next step is when I start making cookies and dough. This is my really photo cookie kit. You have to have 1 egg and some butter to make it. This is sprinkles. This is color red, and this is the color green. This is color red, and this is color green. And here's our mix. Here's our frosting here. That's so soft. And now we're gonna start making it. Now we put. Now we're putting the flour mix. That's it. Some to open them all. That's all enough to make our cookies. We get some on the frozen bun. And now there's a little bit more in there. Mix those all on. We're adding the green color. Just off my hand right now. Whatever. I just washed it. Makes a little bit of smoke, so you do it a little bit back. And that's what we're doing today. That's it. We had to mix it by hand. And this is my green frosting. This is the mixer. Now I'm gonna pour it in my red frosting. Now we have to mix it by hand. Here is my beautiful mixer. We have all the ingredients in here. We're about to turn it on, and that's it. Now we're gonna put it down into here. Now we're gonna turn it on. We're gonna turn this on. Is that done? That's it. That's good. Then mix it so it's all good. And now we're gonna have to play a little. So that's it for the day. When it's done, guys, we're gonna start flattening it out and making the shapes. I'm gonna turn this off. One way. And now I'm gonna open this up. And here it is. This is my beautiful dough. Now we have to try to get it off. Get some flour, a little bit of flour. This is how much you should take. Then sprinkle it around. Then you have to split it, split it, split it, split it. There you go, split it, split, split, split. And this is what you're supposed to do. It kind of gets on your hand, so make sure you dust your hand. Make sure it's all good. And this is what you're supposed to do. It will go off. Go like that. Sometimes break. And now, we're going to take the dough out. Make sure it's all. We're going to put that dough right here. Come here, come here, come here. Come here. Don't stick to me. No, please. Please do not stick to me. Please stay right there. And you will stay right there, okay? After doing it, I have to. Yeah. Well, then I load it down. Make sure it's all on there. Make sure it's all on there. I want to make sure it's all on there, not on the same place. Make sure. We're done. After you're done rolling it out, you have to get this out and then start doing it. This one is done. And now we're doing more. Here's another one. Here's another one. And there's the last one. Try to get it fitted. Fit this one. Try to go. Let's put this one. The whole thing doesn't have to fit. Does it down. Now my sinks are done. Put it in the oven to 100 to 300 to 50 degrees. Now it's done. We're gonna put on the frosting. This is the good part. We have to make sure it's all on there on a straight line. Straight line on each part you're going. You might have to do it like really hard squishing. So this is what we're doing. This is how we're doing. Boop. 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 And boop. 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 There you go. Hey, come on. Come on. There you go. And now for the foot, so for this part, I'm gonna do it like this. Okay, straight line for this part. Cause this is the best part. And go. There you go. There you go. And now we're gonna do the fun part. That's it. Go over. Come on. Come on. And this is how I'm doing this one. And now I'm gonna do the other one. Now the wood frosting. It's time to wrapping, guys. And make sure you do it like this on side. There we go. That's it. And now we're done. You might have to put it right here. And then, if you want to lick your hand off, you can.